Hey guys, it's Leek. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did this all pink prom look today. Hope you guys like it. I did a poll on my Instagram saying whether to do an all pink look or a prom makeup look, and I was like, girl, just do an all pink prom makeup look. Like, I literally had to put it together in my head. Like, you could literally do both. So I did this intense full glam. I never wear this much makeup. It might look the same to you guys, but I'm wearing a ton of makeup, creams on top of powders, highlighters. I'm wearing eyeliner, never do that, cut crease, and I did this cut crease without using concealer. So if you want to see how I did all of that, you already know to keep watching. Alright, so let's get into this prom makeup video. Hi guys, I already did the intro, you already saw the finished look, but me right now, this current me doesn't know what makeup I'm doing, so still gonna introduce it. I tried to look prom-y. I'm wearing this cute little thing. A lot of diamond work going on. My hair is so frizzy. All I did was do the edges, like, and I put in a headpiece. So I'm having a little Princess Diaries moment. I'm gonna be doing an all pink, full glam prom makeup look. This isn't even pink, this is peach, but I don't have any pink shirts, so we're gonna go ahead and just go based off of this. So I'm gonna go do my eyebrows really quick off camera because I do want to focus mostly on the eyes and the skin. So alright guys, so I just finished my eyebrows off camera and I kind of lowered the camera a bit. Also, my brightness on my ring light was not even all the way up, so I apologize for that. But now we're gonna get into the eyes. I really want an all pink look. I don't have a lot of pink palettes, surprisingly, because I use a lot of more warm tone nude type of colors. So oldie but a goodie, I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette because it has probably the best variety of pink and the type of pink look that I'm going for. I'm going to try to use some Stila, this has a name, Magnificent Metals, and then some single eyeshadows, and then maybe some glitter for the eyes. But we're gonna get started. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and then we're gonna see how we're gonna do these eyes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start out with this makeup look. I finished the other eye, but I'm gonna keep it over here. So for the very first thing, which is a transition color, I'm using the Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm using the shade Lure right here. Put that in the crease until it looks the way I want it to look. So this eye is done. As you can see, it's sort of a cut crease with glittery colors. I need to clean up the bottom because this looks bad because I don't have any concealer, but the eyes look good, of course. So it turned out a bit more purplish pink than I thought, but it is what it is. Venetian red in the crease area. Sorry guys. We're gonna put this color right in the crease area. Just to darken it up, make it look nice for when that cut crease comes in. You want to already have that divider there. Then we're going to go back in with the Lure shade just to smoke it out more. The whole idea is for this to look really, really seamless. A combination of Cypress Umber from Modern Renaissance and then Parallel from the Prism palette. They're both dark brown shades. I'm going to use those two to just darken up the outer part of the eye to give it that dimension so that it'll be from light to dark, which I'll show you when I add in the glittery shades too, how it goes from light to dark. So you're gonna drag whatever's left of the product. Look at all that fallout. That's why I didn't do my foundation first. You're gonna drag whatever's left towards the front to also help out that cut crease part, but you want to focus most of that dark shade on the outer part of your eye. Love Letter from Modern Renaissance, which are two pinky colors. And I'm going to put it right on top of that brown to make it look more like a purpley shade, more of a pinky purpley, to follow the whole mood of everything. The best thing, this is a great thing for cut crease for beginners, is to get a liquid type thing like this, because all you literally have to do is just trace it. So I'll show you. I'm gonna grab a little wand. It's nice and flat. Hopefully I stay in focus for this part. So I'm gonna close that eye. Start on the bottom. Just trying to make sure they're even. Sorry guys. And then putting that down. Kind of gonna want it to dry. I'm gonna dip into Mercier from Modern Renaissance, and I'm just gonna drag this so that it doesn't look so neat on the ends. Want it to look kind of messy, or like you want it to look like a fade sort of. New palette, gonna use a Too Faced Chocolate Gold. See this really pink shade called New Money, and it's a really vibrant pink. I'm gonna use that right here as sort of a divider for that dark and that extremely light. There's gonna be a really hot pink, and it's just a hint of it, but it's just enough to get the idea across that there is a darker pink shade on that outer part. Venetian Red and Cypress Umber, and I'm going to use that right where the cut crease is to make it really clear where it is, to make it really defined. So you just want to go over it. So it's sort of like it looks rose gold in the middle. It's going to look silvery pink in the front, and then we want the really bright pink on the ends, which fades into the dark. If you can get all of that from looking at this. I hate doing eyeliner, but the easiest form that I found is using a gel. So I use the Morphe gel liner in Slate, and then I use the Morphe eyeliner brush, which is the M225 brush. My brow, so I make a line really fast, because you can talk yourself out of it so quick if you just don't do it. If you just do it right away, all you gotta do is fix it. So go like that. That's basically it. So I use the gel liner as the base, and then I go back in with a pencil. Oh guys, it's so hard to do eyeliner on camera. Can you even see? No? Sorry. I'm sorry. This is so hard. I really need to be really close, so I'm sorry guys. Like, I'm just gonna try to do it like this, sideways. This side came out great. This side is coming out like this is a mess. This is perfect. Okay guys, I need some assistance. It's not all that great, but guys, this eye came out so good off camera, and look at this one. It doesn't look anything like it. So what I did was I used way too much purple over here. So I'm trying to figure out how to fix this. Alright guys, I look crazy, but this eye I will forever be proud of. Let's not even talk about what's happening over here. I'm going to put eyelashes on to help it all come together. I'm really excited about these eyelashes. They're my friends. Well, I consider her my friend. Her name is Jeanette. She has her own eyelash company called Goddess Lashes, and these are in the style, oh, it's not on here, Snatched. I do have a code with this company. With her company, it's just my name, Leek, L-E-E-K, and you save some money off these lashes. They already are so affordable, so it's not like you need it or anything, but these are so pretty. I'm probably gonna wear them on my birthday for my birthday makeup, but they're gorgeous. So wow, I look crazy. So I added white, the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Milk, in my waterline, and then I'm just grabbing the same little flat brush that I used to define the cut crease, and I'm using that to go over the white to smoke it out some. So now that the eyes are completed, we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to spray some Mario Badescu Rose Water. For full coverage glam, using my current favorite, you saw this in my last tutorial, Wet n Wild. Love this foundation. I have been using it every single day since. I'm starting to lose my voice, guys. I'm sorry. So grab a little spatula. I'm going to use a little more than I would normally use just to get that real full cove. I said full cove. Watch the baby hairs always. Foundation is done. I look crazy with this much makeup on, but look how full coverage that is. I hardly even need any concealer. But does that mean I'm going to still put some on? Yes. Concealer, I'm going to use this very full coverage concealer that I am not a huge fan of. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but it's the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to use it for today because of how full coverage it is and how nice it is for like events and stuff. But guys, this is not my cup of tea. I am not a big fan of this concealer. It is just way too thick, I feel like. Like, it looks good, it really does, but it's just so thick. For me, it takes me forever to blend it out. Like, I don't know if I'm going to do this exact look, but this is probably similar to my birthday makeup. Let me know if you guys want me to record a birthday get ready with me when I get ready on my birthday, because I am going to be extra, of course. It won't go up like the same day, of course. It'll be like a later video because I am going to vlog my birthday. I don't know if I even talked about it. I think I have, yeah, because my goal was 250 subscribers by my birthday, which is May 26th. I'm going to be 20 years old. So I definitely will probably record my get ready with me, as well as I'm going to try to vlog the entire party. And just to balance it out, I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my nose. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Truffle like I have in previous videos. Down the nose, put a little bit on the forehead. I don't usually put it on my forehead, you guys know this. And then of course the cheekbones have to be carved. You want to be snatched on prom. On prom, my best friend did my makeup, so. Because on event days, I feel like I'm way too stressed to do my own makeup. Like, I gotta have a new nose or what? Alright, so now we have all of these creams on. Gotta set them with powders, of course. This nose looks a little funny. A wet beauty blender, gonna take just some of the powder and just gonna focus it. Not much of a baker since I have dry skin, so I'm just gonna push it into the skin. I can't believe I'm doing full glam makeup while I'm sick. Now we're gonna go over the cream contour with my favorite bronzer, which is the Too Faced one in Dark Chocolate Soleil. Appropriate blush called Party by Tarte. My braces are yellow. NYX Praline, don't even have to look at it. This is my favorite gloss ever. This is the completed prom makeup. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It didn't do much to my hair, but I think this glam is so pretty. I might do the same thing for my birthday, to be honest, because it came out so cute. Oh my gosh. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, comment. If you want to see more full glam looks like, please like these. Please comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to turn your post notifications for some more leak in your life. And yeah, I hope you all have really great proms if you are going to prom this year. Remember to have fun. You only go to prom once or twice. Certain people go to like 5 different proms, but you only have that experience once in your life where you're at that time where you can go to a prom. I went to prom 2 years ago. I can't believe it. So enjoy the time that you have right now for prom and for everything. And I just hope that it's a lot of fun, you know. My birthday is coming up. Make sure I reach 250 subscribers by my birthday, May 26th, and I will do a really big giveaway for you guys. So you better subscribe. It's right down there. Just go ahead and subscribe. It will cost you nothing, but it will mean everything to me. Thank you guys. Bye.
Go, shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck 'cause that's your birthday.